Yeah, let us go to the next topic, calendar concept, my dear friends. So here, there are different set of questions there. You first let's start with the basics. So the basics in the sense we have to know the given year is leap year or not. How to decide given year is leap year or not. We are in a bit wrong perception. So let's see the idea behind how you are going to decide given year is leap year or not, right? So for example, 2010 is it leap year or not? We have to decide. Okay, what are the given year? Before going for that leap year, you should know basically regarding century year, non-century year. Century year is the one when the given year is divided by 100. Century year means which is divisible by 100. If given year is divisible by 100, we call it like century year. For example, I can say 1400, 2100, 1600, 2000. All these are century years, which are all divided by 100, right? Year number, which is divided by 100, right? What about non-century year? Non-century year, which is not divisible by 100. Year, which is not divisible by 100, in simple. Year, which is not divisible by 100, right? So, examples, we can say 2020, 2021, 2022, 2012, all this 24 or 22, all these years, we can say non-century because it's not divisible by 100, right? Now, what about leap year or non-leap year is, see my dear friends, given year is leap year, if first before deciding the leap year, if it is century year, okay, century years must be divisible by 400, then only it's a leap year. If it is non-century year, it should be divided by 4. Non-century year, we should divide by 4. If you want to decide it's a leap year, century year should be divided by 400. So I'll give list of years now. We'll decide how this is going to work. A lot of people are in a wrong perception like, sir, all are divided by 4. If any year is divided by 4, it's leap year. No, it's not correct. Century years should be divided by 400. Non-century years should be divided by 4. I'll give a few list of years now. You let's decide whether it is leap year or not, right? Now, for example, 2100, 2000, 1900, 1600, 2020, 2022, 2012, 2026. Okay, so this one now see, first of all, this 2100 is century year. This 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 is non-century year. Non-century. First, I'm mentioning you century year or non-century year, right? Century year must be divided by 400. This is divided by 400. No, this is non-leap year. Here, NL means non-leap year. You just understand in that way. When you use the notation NL, you consider it's like a non-leap year, right? Short notation. This is divided by 400. 2000 is divided by 400. Leap year. This is non-leap year. This is leap year. Okay, this first 4 are century years. We should check with respect to 400. I'll give the reason, scientific reason also we'll discuss later. But mathematically, this is what the scenario, right? Whereas here, this is leap year. Now we have to divide all this with 4. As this is all non-century years, we should divide by 4. Yeah, previous one is century years, we divided by 400. Now, yes, this is not divided by 4. This is non-leap year. This is divided by 4 leap year. This is non-leap year. My dear friends, when you are checking divided by 4, divisible by 4 rule is last 2 digits. If it is a bigger number also, How to check is it divided by 4 or not? We have to see last 2 days. 20 divided by 4. 20 is divided by 4. Okay, 22 not divided by 4. 12 divided by 4. 26 not divided by 4. 20 divided by 4. 22 not divided by 4. 12 divided by 4. 26 not divided by 4, my dear friends. So like this, you can decide given year is leap year or not. Okay. And remaining, or I think you understand here, non-leap year. On the other side of the coin, if you know number of days, yes, leap year is having 366 days, non-leap year 365 days. Agreed. Okay. But my dear friends, okay, instead of giving number of days, they don't give number of days, they are giving certain year. If they given the year number, how to decide leap year or not? I hope you got the clarity. This is mathematically. Now, some of you have a doubt, sir. No, in lower standards, we came to know that every year 1 by 4th of the day is extra. In 4 years, that 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, adding together, it give one extra day, sir. Means every 4 days, one every 4 years, sorry, a leap year will occur, right? No, my dear friends, okay, in childhood, to understand things in an easy way, they given 1 by 4. Actual value, you every year you are not getting 1 by 4 extra. It's 1 by 4 minus 1 upon 100 plus 1 upon 400 is the value actually. You are getting every year, we are not getting 1 by 4th of the day extra. Okay, for easy, they removed remaining terms, which is negligible like that they removed. But actual scenario is this 1 by 4 minus 1 upon 100 plus 1 by 400th of the day. This is the extra day what you are getting every year. Okay. Combined 4 years, we don't get 1 day. So what is the actual meaning if you understand this scientific reason? Okay, this is okay. If you convert, I think it will give 0.24. This is minus 0.25. 0.01. This is 0.0025. So it will remove. Okay. What's the value you got? 0.2425 or 0.2465? No, you can check this 1 upon 100, 1 upon 400, 0.2425, correct. Right. So here, yeah, this is 0.2425 of the day is going to be saved. Or 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 100 plus 1 upon 400. Now see, if you other side of the coin in this same example, what is the meaning, how I'm going to decide given year is leap year or not. For example, 2100, if it is divided by 4, one extra day generated. If extra day is there, then it's a leap year. If extra day not there, then it's non-leap year. Now it's divided by 4 means I'm getting one extra day in 4 years. So as this is divided by 4, I got one extra day. Then here, every 100 years, one extra day is removed. As it is divided by 100, that extra day removed. And it's not divided by 400, so extra day not generated. It's not divided by 400, extra day not generated. So plus 1 minus 1, no extra day generated, it's non-leap year. Extra day generated, we claim it like a leap year. When extra day not generated, it's non-leap year. Sir, what is that? Once again, yeah, you see this next one, 1600. You see this example, you can understand both clearly. Now 1600 is divided by 4, means one extra day generated. It's divided by 100, that one extra day removed because of minus here, right? It's divided by 400. Yeah, again one extra day generated plus 1. Now altogether I got one extra day, means it's a leap year. One extra day is there at the end, it's a leap year. So what about 2012? 2012, it's divided by 4, one extra day generated. It's not divided by 100, not divided by 400. As we have extra day, it's a leap year. It's a leap year, right? So this is scientifically you can understand the scenario. One extra day will generate for every 4 years. Every 100 years, one day is removed. Every 400 years, one extra day will generate. It's not 1 by 4th of the day. If you just precise and go with the accurate value, you may search in Google, you got 0.2425. Okay, if you expand it, this is actually internally. Or, sir, why all those things? Fine, mathematically, century year divided by 400, non-century years divided by 4. That happen leap year, if not non-leap year. Simple, right? Okay, so first thing we should know leap year and non-leap year. That's very, very, very important parameter in calendar. Next one, odd days. Next important parameter you have to know in calendar is odd days. Before proceeding for any type of question, okay, it may be date and there are many questions like they give a certain date, we have to calculate what day it is, or some date is given after 300 days, what day it is. There are different scenarios, but for all those, this is the basic we required here. Right. Now let's see about this odd days. Yeah. If suppose I have 17 days, my dear friends, 17 days can be written as 2 weeks. We can write this as 2 weeks, 3 days. Okay. Apart from weeks, apart from weeks, whatever left over is called odd days. Apart from weeks, I have 3 days. So odd days is nothing but equal to odd days is nothing but equal to 3. Very simple. Apart from weeks, whatever left over, remaining is nothing but odd days. No, sir. Let's give one more example. Yeah, if you go for maybe I can say 100 days, 100 days can be written as 14 weeks, 14 sevens, 98, 14 weeks and 2 days, right? What are this extra apart from weeks? What are left over? We call it like a odd days. Here, odd days is nothing but equal to 2, right? So the shortcut is divide the given number with 7. What is the remainder? This is what odd days. Divide the given number with 7. Pick the remainder. We got that is the odd days. Odd days is nothing but 2. Now, my dear friends, if it is leap year, how many odd days? Non-leap year, how many odd days is? Leap year is having 366 days. If you divide by 7, we are getting 2 odd days. 52 weeks, 2 days. Whereas non-leap year, 365 days, 52 weeks and 1 day. So we'll get only 1 odd day. So leap year, how many odd days? Non-leap year, you can take 366, 52 times, we'll get 364, and you got the remainder 2, my dear friends. Right, so we can claim it like you have 2 odd days for leap year, for non-leap year, 1 odd day, right? Now, before proceeding for the next question, I want one question answer with the previous inputs, what we discussed. What is the maximum gap between two successive leap years or two successive birthdays? What is the maximum gap between two successive leap years? Everyone work on it. What is the maximum gap? I'll give the options also for a better idea. Gap between two successive leap years or between two successive birthdays. Option A, 365 days. Option B, 366 days. Option C, 4 years. Option D, 8 years. Option E, 100 years. Sir, you said maximum. Among options, 100 is the maximum. We'll go with that. Okay, it's your wish, but understand the concept. Try to see what is the maximum gap between two successive leap years. Everyone, try this. Is it 365 days, 366 days, or is it 4 years, or 8 years, or 100 years? Right? Okay. Now, here, if you just observe, my dear friends, answer is 8 years. Answer is 8 years. How said? It's not 365, 366, many of you will think about, but 8 years. And few will think about 4 years also, but it's 8 years, my dear friends. See, 2096. Is it leap year or not? Yeah, guys, work on it. Is it leap year or not? And see the scenario. I'm showing you one situation. There might be many. I'm showing you one such situation. Okay, where this is going to happen. 2096. Okay, is a leap year. Last 2 digits. 96 is divided by 4. Leap year. 97 non-leap year. 98 non-leap year. 99. Yeah, 99 is not divided by 4. 98 also not divided by 4. 100, sir. This is century year. Divided by 400. No, it's also non-leap year. 2100 is non-leap year. 102, 103, 104 is leap year. See. So what is the maximum gap between two successive leap years is 8 years, my dear friends. 8 years. Right. Super. Now see the next one. Hope you understand this. Got it? Clear. Excellent. Now let's go ahead with the. This is one very, very important question in a lot of interviews as well. Aspect. Now let's see the next one, my dear friends. See, same calendar. There is one important model or question they ask related to calendar. Same calendar. What is the same calendar, sir? Suppose 2022 calendar or 2019 calendar as it is, next which year it will come? Okay, or before also when it the same calendar repeats. In previous gate and placements and all other competitive exams, one question already in previous gate also they given for 2019, which calendar is same in before that and after that also. Yeah, 2019 calendar is same as which year? 2019 calendar is same as which year? Dash year. See, in the sense, here same calendar in the sense from January 1, 1st January to 31st December, as it is, not even single day, date should not change. Everything as it is required. Okay, now, sir, how to work on it? Let's see, 2019. 2019 calendar is same as which is next one, right? So first you have to write 2019. Okay, is it leap year or not? It's non-leap year, sir. For non-leap year, how many odd days? One odd day. One odd day. Very good. Then 2020 leap year, sir. How many odd days? Two odd days. Super. 21 non-leap year. How many odd days? One odd day. I'll give the shortcut later to solve the things very easily. But first, go ahead with the basic. Then you can understand the shortcut. There is some terms and conditions. Few situations your shortcut won't work. So kindly understand the procedure. Give highest priority to understand the procedure, dear. Right. Now, 2022 non-leap year, one odd day. 23 non-leap year, one odd day. 24 leap year, two odd days. 25 non-leap year, one odd day. Sir, we have to continue like this. How many days? How many days or how many years we should proceed like this? Yeah. See, until unless odd days become zero. The condition until when you have to move is odd days should become zero. Sir, when odd days will become zero? Yeah, if odd days is 7, it's 1 week, zero, right? Odd days 0. Odd days 0 in the sense if odd days are 7 or 14, 7 means 1 week, 0. 14 means 2 weeks. Odd days are 0. Right? Here 4, 5, 6. Unfortunately, we didn't get 7. We jump to 8. Then 9, 10. Next 27. Okay, here non-leap year. 28, 11 already. Now 28, leap year. 13. Now 29, one odd day, non-leap year, 14 came. So up to here, odd days are 14. 14 means 2 weeks. It's nothing but 0. Odd days must and should lie from 0 to 6 only. Odd days range is 0 to 6 only. When you cross more than 7 or more than 6, okay, we should again divide with 7. Okay, odd day, it's 1 week. It's concept like apart from weeks, whatever is left over, we call it like a odd days. Okay, it's not like odd number. We have to divide by 7. Okay, apart from weeks, whatever left over. Now, if you calculate till now, odd days are 14, means 2 weeks. That is nothing but equal to 0. 0. It's divided by 7. Exactly, it's 0. Right, now what is the next one? Is 2030 is non-leap year. So 2019 non-leap year calendar. Next 2030, both are same. Both are same. Sir, how can you claim it as a same? Right? Now listen, my dear friends. Today is Wednesday. After 7 days, 7 days means odd days is 0, right? What is the day after 7 days? So today is Wednesday. Take it as example. Okay, today is Wednesday. After 7 days, 7 days means odd days is 0, right? It's Wednesday only. After 14 days, 14 days also Wednesday because odd days is 0. So same thing will come, same day will come. That's what here same calendar is going to repeat. 2019 calendar is same as 2030, dear. Clear? This is one example. Let me discuss two examples. Okay, then we'll give the shortcut, my dear friends. Okay, let's see the other scenario. Next scenario is like 2001 calendar is same as 2001 calendar is same as dash. Right. Now see this. 2001 if you don't start at 2002. Many do that mistake also. When a given question 2001, you're starting at 2002 is not acceptable, my dear friends. Start at 2001. It's a non-leap year. It's a non-leap year. One odd day. 2002 non-leap year. One odd day. 2003 non-leap year. One odd day. 2004 leap year. Two odd days. 2005. When you have to stop, when odd days is 0, in the sense odd days 7, 14 like that. Here, lucky enough, we got odd days is 7. Odd days is 7 means nothing but equal to 0. 1 week, right? 1 week. So we have to stop. We have to stop. What is next one is 2007. 2007 non-leap year. Okay. Given 2001 non-leap year, we got 2007. So 2001 calendar is same as 2007 next. 2001 and 2007 same calendar is going to repeat. Clear? Excellent, my dear friends. Now next scenario is like 1990. I want 1990 calendar is same as what? 1990 calendar is same as after these three examples, then we'll give the shortcut 1990. But shortcut is having terms and conditions. Calendar is same as. Suhas, I'll give the idea. Previous also I'll give the idea. In shortcut, I'll give the idea. Wait, you can also calculate the previous. After the shortcut, you will get the process very easily. You can go back also. Yes, one of your friend is asking like Yes, sir. We started 2000. Can we go back? Yes, we can. 1990 calendar is same as right. You start at 1990. It's a non-leap year, 1 odd day. 1991, 1 odd day. 1992 for information, it's a leap year. 92 is divided by 4, 2 odd days. 1993 non-leap year, 1 odd day. 1994 1 odd day. Sir, already 4, 5, 6, now 7 odd days completed. Then next one is 1996. Right. Okay, 1996. Yeah, many given the answer like 1997, 1996 as well. But here we need to put some common sense. 1996 is leap year for your information. So we should not stop. Sir, you said odd days 7 or 0, we have to stop. Yes, along with that, we have to check. Given year is non-leap year, I have to get non-leap year only. But see, 1996 is correct if you want January and February month only. February 28 up to February 28. Then 1990, 1996 both have January and up to February 28 same. Then onwards it will change. But I am saying entire calendar, right? For the entire year. I am not speaking about only January month or February up to 20, entire calendar. So we should proceed still. Then again you proceed your proceedings until again you got odd days 0. Proceed next. In 1996. Now you got 2001, right? 1 odd day. 1998 also 1 odd day. 1999 1 odd day. 2000 leap year we got 2 odd days. Now here 2, 4, 5, 7. 7 odd days again came. So I can stop. 2001 lucky enough is a non-leap year. So we got 2001. And 2001 same calendar 2007 in previous example. 2001 right. So 2001 same calendar like here we discussed 2007 both same right. Now if you see the shortcut, my dear friends, after these 3 examples, if you just see the shortcut, actually, what is the actual answers we got? What is the actual answers we got? If you just work on it, then we can see the shortcut. For 2022, for 2020, 2019, I think we discussed, right? For 2019 and for 2001 and for 1990. My dear friends, everybody just perform +6 and +11 and let me know what is the value you got. Do +6 and +11. This is the shortcut, but you have terms and conditions. +6 and +11, 2025, 2030. Do +6 and +11, 2007, 2012, 1996, 2001. Perform +6 and +11 and hold on. Now see, one thing for non-leap year, we should get non-leap year only. 2001 is non-leap year. 2012 leap year, not acceptable. Directly I can say answer is 2007. 1990 is non-leap year. 1996 leap year, not acceptable. Okay, non-leap year. 2001 non-leap year. Okay, these two I did +6 +11. Okay, one among that is leap year. Eliminate, the other one is the answer. But if both leap years, this is very important. If both are non-leap years, your answer should be highest one. When you do +6 +11, the result both are non-leap year. Go with the highest value. I repeat, go with the highest value if both are non-leap years. Right. Got the point, my dear friends? Good. Now, let me know for 2007, what is your answer for 2007? For 2007, calendar is same as. Yeah, 2013 non-leap year, 18 also non-leap year. Answer is 2018. Second one, second one we have to go. Okay, and there is some terms and condition. We'll discuss that. Sir, now you may have doubt like, sir, we are not discussing regarding leap year 2019, 2001, 1990, 2007. All this are related to non-leap year, sir. What about leap year? What about leap year? 20, my dear friend, see, if it is leap year, let's say 2020, 2020. Why leap year? They're not asked in any exam till now, and no textbook is discussed regarding leap year because it's takes. I taken a lot of examples and work out, and finally I came to the conclusion. After 28 years, same calendar is going to repeat. So why this is happening, sir? We have two parameters. Okay, we need odd days 0 and leap year answer should we have to left with leap year only to match that, as leap years are very rarely available compared to non-leap years. If you want to match, okay, you start with leap year. Don't say 2027, 2026. Few people say about 2020, 2026 answer 2025. How dear? 2020 is leap year, 25, 26 is non-leap years, right? Not at all correct. Okay, when you proceed odd days 0, I agree, but next whether you got leap year or not. If not, proceed until odd days 0 and the result also leap year, both matching. If you proceed 28 years, it is taking 28 years. I'm not getting it. We had to add 28 years. Okay, question regarding leap year, for example, okay, 2014, they're not asked regarding leap year anywhere. Okay, we had to add 28 for that, and answer is 2088. Okay, our answer is 2000, sorry, 68. We had to add 28. Okay, then we got the answer. Leap year repeated, which is the next year, same calendar as leap year means 2068. But for both of this, okay, there is some terms and conditions. I given shortcut for both leap year and non-leap year, but terms and conditions pretty important now. What is the terms and conditions is in between, we should not get 1900, 2100, 2200 like that. Century years which are non-leap years. In the sense, which ones are you are eliminating? Which one you are eliminating? If it is involved between your question and answer, if these years are involved, then suppose I'm giving 2097. Okay, if you do plus 6 plus 11, don't apply. Not applicable here. It's 2103, here 2108, here not applicable. In this situation, it's not applicable. Kindly do manual. Whatever we said, you apply that manual. Here not applicable. Shortcut not applicable in this situation because for the given question number 2097 and answer in between 2100 is involved. Okay, these are all. What are these, are, sir? Century years, but not leap year. Century years divided by 100, but not leap years. Century years, but not leap years. If these are involved, both shortcuts out. We should do manually only. You should not allow for 2072 plus 28 also. That's what I'm telling you. 2100 involved, don't apply. Do manual. And in fact, everyone try to understand, and few of you people are texting. Leap year related, it's such anywhere related to any exam. Okay, you have a Telegram group already. You can post it there. If you find any question related to same calendar, leap year repeat, any textbook also you have. Okay, but working all examples. And here also, yes, you don't apply for 2072. 2072 adding 22,100. I am clearly mentioning you, if 2100, all this involved, don't apply. Then what we have to do, sir? That is why we given the concept here. Here we given you the concept. When you have to stop, how to start. When 1990 is given, you have to start at 1990 only. proceed. We're given clearly. A lot of people doing mistake when 1990 is given. People are starting at 1991 is blunder mistake, my dear friend. Don't start in that case. Don't start 1991. We're given 1990. Start at 1990 only. Clear? Superb, dear. Now same calendar. I hope enough inputs is given. Okay, shortcut and manual method, everything. Next one is, yes, as everyone waiting for, when date is given, okay, how to calculate the date, right? When date is given, how to calculate the date. There are many methods actually available in textbooks. There is one traditional method, okay, but if you follow the traditional method, my dear friends, it is taking more time as per exam point of view. When you practice more and more questions also, it is taking more than 1 minute to solve the question. I'm giving you the one method. It may take for first question 2 minutes, 3 minutes to understand, but next question onwards, will take 40 to 50 seconds only to solve. But for that, few things to remember is month code and century code. In fact, I'm giving the clue how to remember that code also. Right now, let's focus. Let's focus on everything. If, suppose we take some date, okay, and we'll just proceed with that date. Okay, now it's like 8 6 2022. You know, it's already Wednesday. Okay, let's take one date. Okay, it's already Wednesday, we know. Right. Now, here, how to proceed. Okay, I'll show you the method and along with this example. If you want number of days, if you, first you have to calculate number of days. Okay, so what is this number of days? Number of days, how to calculate is date plus last two digits of year, date plus last two digits of given year. Then next one, okay, last two digits of year divide by 2. LD means last two digits. Okay, same thing. Whatever the previous is there, that you take and divide by 4. Last two digits of year, take it and divide by 4 and take only the quotient part. Take only integer. I want only integer part here. The square bracket indicates I want only integer. This integer value only I want. Suppose 5.5 you got, take only 5. You got 6.1, take only 6. Next one, month code and century code is required. Month code, century code, and then perform -1. So this 5 factors we require. -1 is there. Okay, I'll explain you why we're taking -1 everything later. Date, last two digits of year, last two digits of year divide by 4, century code, month code, -1. For this example, date is 8, last two digits are 22. If 22 is divided by 4, 5. I want only integer part. It's 5.5. I want only integer part, 5. Century code, I'll explain later. 6 is the century code. Month code also, I'll give the input. Okay, how you have to remember as well. 5 is the month code. -1 we have to do. I'll explain. What is the century code? 6. Month code 5. I'll give you the next slide. Okay, take it now. Okay, how you got that Wednesday? We'll see that now. So what you got total number of days here? 30, 35, 41, 46. -1 means 45. My dear friends, 45 means 3 odd days. Divide by 7, we got 3 odd days. 45 divide by 7, 3 odd days. Odd days is 3. Now listen, if number of odd days is 0, if number of odd days is 0, it's nothing but Sunday. If number of odd days is 1, Monday, so on, 6 means Saturday. Now we got odd days is 3, clearly it's Wednesday. Odd days 3 means Wednesday, clear. Now, sir, no, what about century code, month code? Okay, apart from those two remaining factors, I hope you understand. Date given in the question, last two digits of year, it's available, and last two digits of year divide by 4. That's also clear, I hope. But take only integer part. I'm clearly mentioning here. Take integer part. Then century code, month code, I'll explain that in the next slide. -1 we have to perform on the end. Then you got number of days. We want odd days only. So we should divide by 7. If odd days is 2, Tuesday. Odd day 1, Monday. Odd days is 6, Saturday. Like that we are fixing the date. So now we are worrying about month code and century code. Cool, nothing worry. Month code also, yeah, you have to remember, but I'm giving the clue. Okay, we are dividing three months into one group. We have total 12 months. I'm dividing three into one group. January, February, March. Okay, I'm dividing three into one group here. April, May, and June, July, all will go one by one. Right, so April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Right. So we're dividing in three into one group. Okay, fine. Now, how to remember the code is very simple. 12 square, 5 square, 6 square, 12 square, 5 square, 6 square, 12 square, two codes after I'm getting this. This has 12 square plus 2. 12 square, two codes after that. We got the last one. Last one, if you observe, I'm getting that 12 square, two codes after. You can remember this as 12 square plus 2. 12 square means 144. January month, you code as 1. February means 4. Now here, I taken for June. June. Previous question is June month. We taken 5. 6 square means 36. 12 square plus 2 is 146. You can remember like this: 12 square, 5 square, 6 square, 12 square plus 2. Month code, 12 square plus 2. Right? Month code is given. Okay, 12 square, 5 square, 6 square, 12 square plus 2. Okay, so respected month you can take. And listen, actually, why -1 here? The actual code is different one. Actual code is 033 like that. 033. I added one for each and everything. It become 144. 033 difficult to remember. I added one for the original code actually. Okay, now it's easy. 144. 033 added one for everything. To compensate that, I'm doing -1 here. My dear friends, why -1 is actually is the reason. Research somewhere related to this date and day. You may get the code like 033. 614625035, some other code. I did +1 for that, and now it's easy for you. 12 square, 5 square, 6 square, 12 square plus 2. To compensate that +1, that -1 is actually there. If you see that code 033 something else, 614625035, if you apply, there you don't have -1 actually. Okay, don't argue later. So -1 not there, here is available. The reason is I changed the code for easy remembering. So I hope you got the clarity regarding month code. Now let's see about the century code here. Century code. Century code. Century, we know 100 years. Century, 100 years. For 100 years, it's only one code. For 100 years, it's only one code. One code. Now here, big worry is this small, not big worry, one small adjustment we have to do. Okay, in general, or else first, okay, let me give the century code first of all. For 100 years, only one code. That too, you can easily remember even numbers 6 to decreasing ways. From 6, you have to decrease. It's 6420, again 6420, again 6420, like that, it will keep on repeating. 6420 again 6, like that it will keep on repeating. 6420, 6420, so on. This is for 1 century, 100 years. Yeah, now see, this is actually which century code is which one, if you have to know, my dear friend. Sorry, if the century year is divided by 4, give the century code as 0. 20th century, 20th century, as 20 is divided by 4, I am giving code for that as 0. 24th century is 0. Now what about this one, sir? This is 21st century, 22nd century, and this is 23rd century. Okay, most of the questions right now in 20th century and 21st century only. Okay, 20th century and 21st century, which you people are belongs to, right? We belongs to 20th century and 21st century both. Maybe very few people not belongs to 20th century, they may belongs to 21st, maybe, okay. But fine, 20th and 21st centuries, right? So fine, now here, this is 17th century, 18th century, 19th century, 100 years. For 100 years, same code only for that 100 years. For 100, entire 100 years, we'll get same code. Clear? Okay, see this century code once. Class lo nanu thalli cheppu. నాకు క్లియర్ అబ్బా ఇప్పుడు దేనికబ్బా దేదైనా ఏ కార్డు నాకు నువ్వు చెప్తే మెసేజ్ అయినా పెట్టచ్చు కదా 2468 అనుకుంటా here if you hope you went through all this. Now suppose my dear friend, if they ask what is 31st century code, don't write all this. 32nd is divided by 4, for that 0, 31st century is 2. Simple. 32nd century is divided by 4, 32 is divided by 4. So century code for that is 0. And this is 31st century. Now, one small correction we have to consider for this code, for this procedure, what we are following, to understand that one small update we have to do is, see, 21st century in general, and for this code, what we have to do. In general, 21st century means 2001 to 2100, my dear friends. I repeat, this is, we are in general 100 years. Okay, 21st century means 2001 to 2100. But here, for this procedure, you have to take from 2000 to 2099. That starting and ending problem is there. Starting one and ending one. Okay, this is update. Please consider for this code, for this topic, while doing date and day, not for the entire topic also, while doing date and day. Okay, for that code purpose, for 2000 to 2099, you have to consider it as a 21st century. Then similarly, 20th century, in general, 20th century means from 1901 to 2000, my dear friends. But here for this question, code purpose, for this question, code purpose, take it like 1900 to 1999. Okay. And most of the time they are focusing only on these two. Okay. That's the update. Not only you may say, what about 24th century? Yeah, 24th century, normally we should consider 2301 to 2400, but for this code purpose we should take 2300 to 2399. Okay, now century code, month code, everything in-depth analysis is given, right? Okay, now we'll go with one example which everyone knows is our Independence Day, right? So 15th August 1947, what day is it? It's, I hope everyone knows, it's a Friday. 15th August 1947 is Friday. Sir, how we have to do that? Here, we have to take, yes, we've given already the input, right? So we just proceed the way how to calculate all this is dates plus last two digits plus 47 divided by 4, it's 11 point something, 11.75. In fact, I want only 11. I want only 11 integer. Month code, August 8, it will comes in third category. 12 square, 5 square, 6 square. In that middle one, 3. Century code, it's 0. This is 1947, belongs to 20th century. 20th century, so 0. and then we have to perform -1 after all this. Okay. Now, if you add, sir, one few of you people are doing like 15 plus 47, sir, we'll add it 62 plus 1173 plus 376 -1, sir, 75. Divide by 7. We got 5 odd days, sir. 5 odd days means Friday. That's one thing. Or else, few will do 11 plus 3, 14. 0 odd days. 11 plus 3, 14. 0 odd days, right? 15, 7, 7 divide by 7, 1 odd day. 1. Here, if you divide by 7, 5. This plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Like that also, you can do 11 plus 3, 14. Odd days is 0. 15 minus 1, 14. Odd days is 0. 47, 7, 6 times 42, 5. 5 odd days. You can do like that also, dear. If you want to speed up, yes, 11 plus 3, 14, 15 minus 1, 14, 7, 6, 52, 5 odd days. Directly 5 odd days. It's nothing but Friday. Clear? Clear? One more example. Let me check how many of you give the answer. 26th January 1950, our Republic Day. I'll wait for your answers, my dear friends. Everyone, please work on it. Yeah. Now, from this question next onwards, we can speed up. Calculations can be done very fast. Yeah, you see the speed, okay? 26 date, last 2 days 50, divide by 4, we got 12. And January month code is 1, as this was for first one. Century code is 0, -1, +1, -1, anyhow, out. 76 plus 12, we have 88. 88 when you divide by 7, 7 12 84, 4 odd days, nothing but Thursday. You can take hardly 40 to 50 seconds once you got the entire grip related to the inputs what we given. But other traditional method is there, but it is taking time, dear. Every date, every month, every year, all we have to bring it up. That will take more time. Good to see many people responded with the correct answers. 4 odd days. Excellent. Right? Okay. Now let us see the one more small update in this scenario, one very important update. Okay. See, January and February month. Given month is January and February, and leap year also, both combination. Given month is January and February, and it's a leap year. Then what are the procedure you did already? We have to do extra -1. We have to do -1 extra -1 to be performed. Why, sir? I'll give you the basic input. Let's listen. Why extra -1 is, my dear friend, in leap year, when you got the extra day, 366 days, I agree. When you got that extra day, it's leap year. Okay, fine. When you got that extra days, February 29, at the end of February, right? But generally, when you do the procedure, what we give a number of date, day, number of last 2 days divided by 4, all those things when you do, that extra day is already added. But when you have to add that extra days after February month, January you don't have that extra day. February that extra day is not there. That's why you have to do -1. So if it is March month and all, no problem. So it is non-leap year, no need to do. Previous question non-leap year only, dear. This is non-leap year, January month. No need to do that extra -1. Then for which one, sir? For example, I have to do for 10 February 2020. This is leap year and February month. Then what we have to do is this date, last 2 digits, number of divide by 4. We got 5 here. Okay. Divide by 4. Last two is divided by 4. And month code is 4. Century code is 6. This is 21st century. 2020 is 21st century. 21st century. Now, you can check later in your mobile. Okay, that extra -1 is required. Already -1 is there. What is the specialty we are talking about is this extra -1. This extra -1 we are talking about. Now 10 plus 20 plus 5, 35. Odd days is 0. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 8 means 1 odd day. It's nothing but Monday. You can check right now in your mobile or some other reference you take. 10th February 2020 is Monday only. It's not Tuesday. That extra -1 required. And that too for not for all the months, leap year and January, February month. That combination only. That combination only. And some of you again posting some worry question like, sir, if it is 29th February 2020, sir, what about 29th February 2020? I have to do -1 subtracting or not? Why that confusion and all? Better you calculate 1st March 2020, right? Then previous day is 29th February, right? It's simple, right? Here, no problem. March month, no issue. If it is January, February, if it is leap year, that extra -1, all we are thinking about. Take 1st March 2020, dear. Previous day is 29th February 2020, right? No worries, right? So it's easy. No confusion. Okay. So have this type of questions, get clarity, right? Now, so most of the inputs, and still there are things to be discussed. Okay, well, we'll discuss that with respect to example. Like, one moment, I'll just see. We'll cover it up now. It's okay, fine. We have enough time. Now, what we'll do? Okay, so this one. Okay, this is a question. Find 1st March 2020. Then you decide this one. Okay, that's the simple approach without any confusion. And next one, next important thing is, see, suppose as 8th June 2022 is Wednesday, they ask in the question like, what is 8th June 2023? This is also one good typical model. Okay, 8th June 2022 is given. 8th June 2023 we have to find. Now here, my dear friends, 1 year gap is there, right? 1 year gap is there. Fine. Now, is that 1 year is 365 days or 366 days means 2022 is non-leap year. This is also non-leap year. Obviously, we have only one odd day. One odd day will be there. So Wednesday plus one answer is Thursday. Simple is this. Only one odd day. Okay, yes, 8th June 2022 is Wednesday. As this 1 year is having 365 days, as both are non-leap years, we'll get 365 days only gap exactly. We know it's one odd day. For non-leap year, one odd day we discussed already, right? So you add one as it is forward, one added. So Wednesday plus one, Thursday. You can check. Okay, we know 8th June 2022 is Wednesday. Then if you check, we'll get 8th June 2023 is Thursday, my dear friend. Here. Now, similarly, now here, excellent update is 8th June 2023 is Thursday. Okay, good. I want 8th June 2024. 8th June 2024. Now here, my dear friends, sir, here also 1 year gap. But listen, okay, when leap year, one leap year is, okay, this is non-leap year. Here we have leap year. Now we have to worry, is this one odd day or two odd days? We have to check. Now listen, what is the simple logic is February with leap year combination available means two odd days. If not one odd day, simple. February with leap year combination. In the sense, whether February 2024 available or not. Is available or not, February 2024. In this gap, June 2023, So on December 2023, then January 2024, February 2024 is available. Available means 2 odd days. So Saturday is the answer. Saturday is the answer. It's not +1, sir. Previously +1 you said. Now it's +2. Now whenever leap year is there, it's not +2. Sir, no. Whenever leap year is there, can we do +2? No. No. No is the answer. Don't do +2. Okay, in all scenarios, some scenarios only we should perform. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, one more example where you can understand the things. Yeah, for example, we got March 1st, 2020 is Sunday. Let's see. Yeah, 1st March 2020 is Sunday. 1st March 2020 is Sunday. Now I want 1st March 2021. My dear friends, see this scenario. 1st March 2020 is Sunday. 1st March 2021 is what? Now here, one is leap year, one is non-leap year. Okay. Now whether it is +1 or -1, I said if it is February 2020 available, is it available? If it is available, then +2. If it's not available, February with leap year combination available means there only we got extra day, right? Okay, if not available, is February 2020 is not available, February 2021 available. As this is not available, we have to do only one +1. It's Monday. It's Monday. We have to perform only +1 here. It's a Monday, my dear friends. +1, +1. Right. Got the clarity? Okay. Now, same example, 1st January 2020 is given. 1st January 2020 is given. Some day I'll let you know. Okay. Then 1st January 2021. Now, what should be the relation between 1st January 2020 to 1st January 2021? See this scenario, my dear friends. Yeah, 1st January 2020 is given as, yeah, we have 31. So 31 and 29. So we have 3 plus 1, 4, 4 gap. Okay, Sunday -4 means it should be like Wednesday. Yeah, fine. So 1st January 2020 is Wednesday. Now 1st January 2021 is what? 1st January 2020 is Wednesday. 1st January 2021 is what? Now here, this is leap year. This is non-leap year. Okay. Now how many odd days? That is 1 or 2. Again, we have to check which leap year is that 2020. February 2020 available. Yes, available means do +2. It's a Friday. Clear? Excellent. And one more basic question is like today is Wednesday. After 500 days, what day it is? After 500 days, what day is it or what day it is? Like today is Wednesday after 500 days. So here 500 days is a big number. We can convert into odd days. So 7 sevens 49. We have 10. 717. We got 3 odd days. 3 odd days. Instead of 500, okay, you put it like 3 now. 3. It's simple. Yes. After 3 days, what day it is? Wednesday +3. +1 means Thursday. +2 means Friday. +3 means Saturday. Saturday we are going to get. Okay. If they ask before 500 days, we should do -3. Same question. Yeah. Today is Wednesday. Wednesday. Fine. Before 300 days. what day it is means, then for this scenario, we have to do Wednesday minus 3. It will become Sunday, right? Okay, 1 day before Tuesday, 2 days before Monday, then 3 days before it's nothing but Sunday. Clear? Excellent, my dear friends. Now we'll go ahead with the questions. With all these inputs, whether you understand the questions or not, let me know. This first question, my dear friends, we're given all the inputs. Now see, number of odd days in a leap year. Number of odd days in a leap year. Right? So here, if you just work on it, it's very simple. 2 odd days. Nothing to think about that question. No need to spend much time also, right? What about the second question? If you see, which of the following is not a leap year? All these are century years. We should worry about that. And here, if you just work on 700 is not a leap year. These type of questions can be given for MSQ, multi-select questions. Okay, which of the following is leap year like that also they can ask. Right. And third one, again, very basic question. X weeks, X days, we want in terms of days. You should write this in terms of days. X weeks. 1 week is having 7 days, so X weeks means X into 7, and you have X days extra. 8X is the answer. X weeks, X days. In terms of X, you may not understand properly. Better to take one example, 5 weeks, 5 days. Right? It's 5 into 7. Every week, 7 days plus 5, which is 40 days. I take an X value 5. Okay, substitute X value 5 in the option, you should give 40. Simple logic, right? If you don't understand, you take in terms of value, substitute that here, 8x. Now, this one not yet discussed actually. Very good, important discussion required now. Last day of century cannot be. Okay, this question also MSQ possible because last day of century cannot be many things actually. Now see, last day of century, my dear friends, century year, last day like 31st December. Okay, you just work. There is other way of solving also, but you just work on this one, my dear friends. I want what is the days of this one. Everyone, you just work on this. Let me know what is the answer. Day, what day it is. 31st December 2000. This is the last day of the century year. 2000 is a century year, last day, century year. Okay, so on this is 2300. Now, kindly solve. And here 2000 belongs to 21st century as per our code. As per our code. 2100 will come under 22nd century as per our code. Cash start. What's the day? 31st December 2000 is what day? 2100, 2200, 2300 I want. Yes, 31 means 3 odd days. Then 00 out. 3. Then century code as is 21st century means 6. 3 plus 6, 9. December 6. 9 plus 6, 15. Minus 1 means 14. 0. It's a Sunday actually. If you work on, we got Sunday. Okay, we got Sunday here. Right. And here, if you just calculate, you'll get Friday. And if you just calculate here, you'll get Wednesday. Right. And this will be Monday. You check once. Okay, for all this. So last day of century can be Monday, can be Wednesday, can be Friday, cannot be Thursday, cannot be, sorry, Tuesday, cannot be Thursday, cannot be Saturday. For info, all this cannot be. Last day of century cannot be all this. Cannot be Tuesday, cannot be Thursday, cannot be Saturday. Right. Now, can be is this. This is last day of century can be. So what is all this? Last day of century can be. Last day of century can be all this. Cannot be is this. Now, with this, there is one more point to be addressed. First day of century can be. So guys, last day, next day is the first day, right? Okay, just think about first day of the century can be. First day of century can be. I'm just adding one slide. Now, first day of century can be. Yeah, first day of century can be. First day of century can be. If you just try, okay, if you just calculate later, first day of century can be. Yeah, somebody is mentioning. Last day of century cannot be this one here. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Now, first day of century can be, if you just work on, we'll get Monday. First day of century can be. Okay, Monday. It can be Tuesday. It can be Thursday. It can be Saturday. You try later. First day of century can be this. Yeah, we know last day of century can be Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Now, regarding first day of century can be first day of century can be. So, how to handle this first day of century can be is, see, my dear friends, century means from, for suppose 21st century. In general, it's from 2001 to 2100, and next century is 2101 to 2200 likewise, right? So first day of century means we should take 1st January 2001. We should take 1st January 2101, 1st January 2201, and 1st January 2301, my dear friends. If we just calculate all this, see, it's nothing but, if you know, first 31st December 2000 already we know. In previous slide we came to know 31st December 2000 is Saturday, Sunday, right? So next day is nothing but this one. So it's Monday directly. You know, already in previous slide we calculated. Now plus one will give this one, right? So it will be Saturday here, right? And this one, if you just calculate all those, okay, we got already Thursday now, and this will be Tuesday. You just check it out. Okay, we have to get Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Monday. This is last day of century can be, and we know cannot be is what, and first day of century can be what, right? Okay, so this is how you can calculate if you want, or else the other way is for every 100 years, how many odd days? 100 years means this is from year number 1 to 100, or I'm in to say it's from 2001 to 2100. 1 to 100, or maybe for a better understanding, you can take from 2001 to 2100. 2001 to 2100, my dear friends, 100 years, but you have only, how many leap years is 24 only. 2100 is not leap year. Don't say 100 divided by 4, we have 25 leap years. No, 24 only. 2100 is not a leap year. We have 24 leap years. and 76 non-leap years. Right. Now odd days 76 into 1 for leap year. For leap year 2 odd days. For non-leap year 1 odd day. If you just go ahead, we got 124 odd days. But if you divide by 7, okay, 7 17 is 119, 5 odd days. For every 100 years, 5 odd days is there. Okay, 5 odd days means it's nothing but in terms of day, we can call it like Friday, right? In fact, my dear friends, this is what 31st December 2100 what we calculated. Next, 200 years. 200 years in the sense you should consider like it's 2001 to 2100 and 2101 to 2200. Here, okay, here 5 odd days, here 5 odd days will come. Similar. 2001 to 2200 also, you have 76 non-leap years and 24 leap years. Already this is 5, here 5. 5 plus 5, 10 odd days. But odd days should not be more than 7. We can say this is 3 odd days. 3 odd days. Next, similarly, if you go for 300 years, 300 years, we'll get 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15. We got 1 odd day. 1 odd day. We calculated 31st December 2200. You got it actually like Wednesday. And this one you got it like Monday. See this. Next day is the first day of the other century. This is the last day of this century. Next day is the first day of the other century, right? 300 years. Now, 400 years is very important. Odd days is 0. How you got odd days 0 is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 6. You got 0. It's total 21. Means 0 odd days. Why 5? This is like 2001 to 2100. This is 2201 to 2300. Okay, this is 2101 to 2200 as we already discussed. Now the 6 odd days actually from 2301 to 2400, because here you have 75 non-leap years, 25 leap years, 2400 is a leap year. This one we got one extra day actually. Okay, previously 26 24 non-leap years, now 24 leap years, now 25 leap years. This 2400 is a leap year. 2400 is divided by 400. It's a leap year. Remaining all this last one is non-leap year. We got only 24 leap years, not 25. One extra day will come. That's why plus 6, 0. And what's the advantage? 400 years, 0 odd days, right? Now, if they ask 700 years, how many odd days means, I can write this as 400 plus 300. For 400 years, 0. For 300 years, we know it's 5 plus 5 plus 5 here. 1 odd day. So 1, we can write it like 1. Sir, for 1300 years, how many odd days? It's 1200 plus 100 you can take. For 1200, 0. It's 400 multiple. For 100 it is 5 odd days. They can ask you for this many years how many odd days also. This is how you should work for. Clear? Right. So this is all about that calendar topic, my dear friends. I hope you understand this. Same calendar. 2007 calendar is same as. This is same example we already discussed. 2007 calendar is same as, is nothing but 18. We did plus 6 plus 7 all. We already discussed that examples. 1998 plus 6 2004 leap year not acceptable. Plus 11 we had to do. 2009 is correct. Already we discussed 1998, 2007, all this. 1998 plus 6 plus 11 non-leap year plus 6 plus 11. 2004 is leap year. Kindly note that point. And now this is what, when the given date, how to calculate the day. Now see the speed, what we can do. 28, last 2 digits, divide by 4, integer we want. May, this will come under second one. Okay, 12 square, 5 square, it's I think 2, right? Okay, then century code 6 and -1. 6 plus 28, 0. 6 plus 1, 7, 0. 2 plus 6, 8 minus 1, 7, 0. 6, 0, Sunday. You can get the speed like this when you practice more and more. So why 28? Divide by 7, 0. 6 plus 1, 7, 0. 2 plus 8, 8 minus 1, 0. 8 minus 7, 0. 0 odd days. We want odd days, right? 0 Sunday. So like that, you can solve eighth one. You can practice. Now, this is small update in ninth question, my dear friends. How many Saturdays are there in December 2000? How many Saturdays are there in December 2000? Right now, generally it's 4 or 5. Any month, okay, any month you have 4 weeks. Okay, greater than or equal to 4 weeks, right? So definitely 4 Saturdays or 4 Fridays, 4 Tuesdays, everything four times guarantee. It may be 5 also. So that's what we have to decide. So how can I decide is it 4 Saturdays or 5 Saturdays is date is not given. You take 1st December 2000. Listen, date is not mentioned. I'm taking 1st December 2000. I'm calculating what day it is. So for that 100 century code and month code and -1, 1 plus 6, 7 out. This is 5 means Friday. 2000 is 21st century we're considering. I'm repeating that many times, so please take a note of that. And here it's a Friday, right? Okay. When first is Friday, when you got Saturday, 2nd December. So what are the Saturdays is nothing but in that month, 2nd, after 7 days, 9th, after 7 days, 16, after 7 days, 23, after 7 days, 30. 5 Saturdays. You have 5 Saturdays in that month. 1st December 2000, date, last 2 digits, then divide by 4, month code, century code, -1. Okay. 10th question also, previous question extension. Here they're asking that exact dates. I hope you can take 1st April. What is that date you calculate? If 1st April is Tuesday, 2nd is Wednesday, then with that one you can decide the answer. Same. You take first date, 1st April here, calculate what day it is. That will give the answer. Right? Similar to previous one. And I think you can solve this 11th question. We discussed after 500 days. Here after 5 days it is. It's Monday -2. So it's a Saturday. You'll get. Monday code is 1. Okay, +5 means 6. 6 is Saturday code. You can do like that also. In odd days, Monday is 1. So Monday +5. How you are marking Saturday easily? We know in odd days code, Monday means 1. 1 plus 5 means 6. 6 means Saturday. We know. In that type also you can do, right? Monday, this is odd day, odd days. Odd days is from 0 to 6. Okay, if 1 is there, we can call it like Monday, 2 means Tuesday. That point I'm writing here. Monday 1 in that way. This one will get Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday. Wednesday. You practice this, you'll get Wednesday. 13th question. This also you practice. If you have doubt, you can post it in the group. Okay, we can ask. This model, 1 year gap. 1 year gap. 8th December 2007 is Saturday. 8th December 2006. Both are non-leap years. We need one odd day, right? +1 or -1 like that we have to do. Here 1 should be Friday. Friday +1 only it becomes Saturday. One odd day, non-leap year. In that way. I hope you can solve this 14 and 15 as well. Similar lines. 16th question also you can proceed the same lines. 17. Okay, practice all. I have some new model. This is all discussed. This type of questions we discuss. Yes. This is the update we have. Excellent update here. Excellent update here. Sir, when date, month is same, year vary, you are doing previous one, okay. But see, here date, month, year, all are different, sir. Now, how to handle this type of typical questions is, see, when year is different, you bring it to same year first of all. I want 1992, you bring it to same year first of all. Date, month, and year all are different. First, at least match same year. Then I'll give you what we have to do. This is Saturday. Here +1 only. It will become Sunday. Now, I came to same year, 1992. Okay, 5th January is Sunday. 3rd March is what? Now, my dear friends, now what you have to do, here from January month to March month, January, February, March, 3 months are there. Here, February month full available. This is leap year for information 1992. 29 days is there. 1992 is leap year. We have 29 days, which means 1 odd day. In January, we have 31, 5 days already completed. In January, this Sunday is already 5 days completed, right? January total 31, 5 days already completed means we have to take 26 in January month. 26. 7 3 is 21, sir, 5 odd days. March, 3 days involved. 5 plus 1 plus 3, we have 9, means 2 odd days. Sunday plus 2, Tuesday, my dear friends. I repeat, when year is different, bring it to same year using the concept already. For leap year, 1 odd day, non-leap year, in the sense February along with leap year involved, 2 odd days. February, if leap year is not there, 1 odd day like that, you can bring it to same year. Then that months, all that months you list out, January, February, March, all the months you list out. What are they involved in this? Okay. If full month is there, mention that all. Okay. If full month is not available, so you should write exactly which is required. Okay, you just see this. February 29 days. Important is that 29, 26. Like that you have to proceed. We'll get 2 odd days. So Sunday plus 2. Clear? Okay. Now see the next one. You have one more update actually. I'm searching for that. This one, data inadequate. Good question. You read it once. The second day of a month is Friday. What will be the last day of the next month, which has 31 days? Okay, this month, next month is having 31 days. Fine. This month, current month, how many days is a problem? Because if it is July and August, okay, this is 31, next month is 31. If it is April and May, this is 30, this is 31. If it is February and March, this may be 28 or 29, and this is 31. So current month is which one is the big worry. So it's not mentioned. The number of days we don't get right. See, if you want to calculate number of days, okay, how many days is there? I don't have an option now because whether it is current month is what, next month number of days is 31. It may be 30 31 combination. It may be 31 31 or 29 31 or 28 31. So there are 4 combinations. So 4 different answers possible. That is why data inadequate. Right. Yeah. This is the question I'm waiting for, the update. Okay, with this topic, most of the inputs is completed. First day of the year, other than the leap means non-leap year. If first day of non-leap year is Friday, then which was the last day of that year. If first day of non-leap year it was Friday, then which was the last year of that year? Right? First day of the year, non-leap year was Friday. Then which was the last day of that year? Is nothing but same. Is nothing but same. Yeah. Two ways to understand. Two ways to understand. In non-leap year, last day and first day both are equal. I'll give you how it will work out. Okay, non-leap year, last day equal to first day. If it is leap year, last day is first day plus one. I think in that century for the first day, we have to check non-leap year, last day equal to first day. In leap year, last day equal to first day plus one. Last day equal to first day plus one. Right. Now, see this. Yeah, last day is first day plus one. Fine, good. Now, my dear friends, here in this scenario, what we should do, last day equal to first day, okay, last day is first day plus one, how it is. So two things, like take one non-leap year, for example, 1st January 2001 or 2021. 1st January 2021 is Thursday, yeah, it's a Friday, okay. Now 1st January 2022, I want 31st, okay, but first using the procedure what you know already, 1st January 2022. 21 is Friday, 22 as both are non-leap years, we'll get this as a Saturday. Okay, this one we know, right? 1 year gap, Saturday. This clearly indicates before day is Friday only. Before day is Friday, right? When 1st January 2022, we given already the trick. 1 year gap, as it is non-leap year, it's one day added. Now before day is 31st.